Have you ever had hiccups that just won't stop hic? It happens because of a small muscle in your body called the diaphragm. When you eat too fast, drink soda, or even laugh too much, this muscle moves, suddenly making air rush into your throat. Your vocal cords close quickly, and that creates the hic, the sound. People try all kinds of tricks to stop hiccups, drinking water, holding their breath, or even getting scared. But don't worry, most hiccups go away on their own. Have you ever tried a funny way to stop them? Tell us.